How we doing, Joel? Ready to make some money? What the fuck? Honestly, kind of bearish. I feel like we're gonna retake most of this move, but I don't know. Okay.
Hello.
Hello. Go. Okay. Let me see a reversal off this pivot point. I don't know. I don't expect this to go up here.
Oh.
I think your mic's fucked up.
My mic is?
Yeah, you sound weird.
You know what? Could be. Let's go into my Yeti.
Sound better now?
Yep. Did you run?
Then I will, and I still owe it.
What a
But
bet.
the only reason why I didn't was because I was so determined to get the 725. I stayed on and played till I think 6 in the morning.
Did you get it?
No,
This guy played for like literally 12
I
hours
literally,
straight.
yeah, I played for like literally just 12 hours straight. I got to 720, and I'm all the way back down to like 680 or something like that.
Isn't that where you started? Yeah, yesterday yet?
No, I started at like 6:40, and then like I won like 4 games at the gym.
Good morning, Raven.
Oh, I went to the ringer yesterday. I went from like, I think it was like 6:50. I went from like 6:50 to 6:10 all the way up to 7:20.
What a coward. I think he was gonna do it.
I got to run. I owe it.
Dude, how do you play for
Literally,
12 hours straight and you can't get the 7:25?
Because for 8 hours of that, I don't think my brain worked. My brain literally feels like it's fried.
Oh. I really want to short this. I feel like we're gonna give back what we made for CPI.
You said there's like a ton of news today, right?
No, that was Tuesday, but there was CPI today, so CPI is at 8:30 candle. So I might target those 8:30 lows, or that 8:30 low. Oh, my eye. Let's see what happens here.
You want to know how many games of chess I played yesterday?
I honestly don't know if I want to know, but sure, how many?
Dude, that's bad.
Is
From
this like the past 24 hours, or is this just from until midnight?
From December 17th to December 18th, because I played a bunch this morning.
Yeah.
I played 107 games.
In 12 hours, you played 107 games, and how many did you win?
It was more than 12 hours.
Oh, what?
If you think about it,
6
because what time
PM,
did we
right?
get home from the gym?
No.
3, 4. Plus, like, I'll say like 4, plus like eating, which I brought my food up. Pretty much played straight. I really didn't do anything else. I literally think I played for 14 hours straight.
Jesus. In short, 246. I don't hate it, Joel. I just want to see a little bit more of a flag.
You gotta respect the
attempt. You're just too stupid. The heart was there, the brain wasn't.
Yeah.
What's your target, Joel? This low here? Or are you going for a big Mamu trade? Ugh. $210. Well, nice TP. Oh, man. I can see you, Raven. I said hello. You didn't say anything else, right?
Oh, you said was hi. Hi, hello.
I was doom scrolling, Jesus. Oh my god, we're just gonna fucking dump all the way to these lows. I'm gonna kill myself. I don't even. Let's see. Where is everything? Bouncing off the 5-minute right now. We're just gonna dump to him. Oh.
Yeah. Two candles just weren't enough for me.
Yeah. It's looking good right now, but. Sweet. Hopefully, patience pays. Only 12 minutes in.
Still long.
Dude, can you guys shut the fuck up? Jesus Christ, my phone's buzzing like a motherfucker. I don't care. I don't care. Fucking Jack got ranked shitty or whatever the case is.
Okay, the Jack's hard stuck. He's in bronze.
No, I don't care. For a game that I don't play, I don't care.
I just think it's funny.
Yeah, we're going down today. We're going down. I'm convinced. Are you done for the day now, Joel? Is that how it works? Or no? You keep trading. I'm seeing another setup. Uh-oh. So, are you done or are you not done? still wait. Hopefully he doesn't go. Vix is pretty average today. Okay. That's why we wait. Emmanuel Mendoza, message retracted? Oh, he's yelling racial slurs.
Connection.
It's a good time.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Alright, I'll give it a shot. 350. Micros. See how it goes. Wait, it wasn't a racial. I'm kidding. I couldn't see what it is. I just assume it's a racial slur if it gets retracted. That's what. Just a bad joke. That's why I deleted it. My bad. Super fan, by the way. Keep the good way. Guy never talks, says he's super fan, says he made a bad joke and then deletes it. I'm sure to get 220. Joe, I thought you said you were done. What are we doing?
You said if you saw a setup.
No, he said he was seeing a setup.
You're sure if you said.
I said, are you done? He said, yeah, but I'm seeing another setup. See, this is when I don't know whether to go break even because we just took out the lows. But I don't want to until we... If we push like back down after now, yeah, we come back up, hit that. Push back down towards the lows again, then I'll go break even because I do like to give it the one. But this should play out. You think so, Marky? I hope so. I like these data lows here. Nvidia looking a little bullish for my likings, but we'll see. Oh, Marky, you're a wizard. Let's see it.
You know what? I got in there, but I had to go to the bathroom, so I'm gonna leave it and hope.
Uh-oh. I'd like it to reject off this 1 minute EMA here. Nvidia at the VWAP, ES at the EMA. Uh-oh, ES is going to take out that high right now. ES just took out that high. Yeah, I'm fucked. I'm fucked. Yeah.
Stop filled.
Damn it. You lied to me, Marky. About that trade break even. Yeah, I was close to going break even, but we didn't get back exactly down towards the lows, so. It's alright. Looks like I was just wrong. I'm sorry, bro. Yeah, it's all your fault, Marky. No, it's fine. Just really felt like we were gonna give back all of this. If I do a 1-to-1 there, I mean, I make out. If I put my stop at like 40, if I put my stop here, take profit would be 40.25. I wick it. Instead of losing 277, I make 277. Fuck. But I don't know. just going to continue higher? I feel like I cannot win. I cannot go on a streak of win. I haven't been on like a winning streak in I don't know how long. Like I won Thursday, Friday, lost Monday, won yesterday. I mean, we'll see how the rest of today goes, but as of now, down. Like, I can't remember last time I won like 3 or 4 trades in a row. Let's see if my calendar remembers. I don't know. It's been a long time. Run long 247. Best of luck. See, I don't know, was I too biased? I was just like, we need to go take out these lows, because then you look at like the 5 minute and the 15, it just looks like a pullback to push higher. But like, it's not like I would have taken anything on this. But
Oh, great trade, great trade. I leave and it pulls straight back all the way up.
yeah, I mean, as you were saying that, I was literally like back at break even, and then the next year I was just fucking ripped higher. Like, awesome. So, like, I don't know if I was just like tunnel vision on those news lows. It's like if you look at like the 15, it just looks like we pulled back to it. The 5 minute just looks like we pulled back to it and then pushed higher.
It was just like we're below the EMA. We touched off it twice. We made like 2 like little flags. Touched off it twice. Oh, we're gonna keep pushing down, at least to like the bottom.
Am I feeling better? No. Whenever I lose, my day's just ruined.
Yeah. Day's gonna be ruined later when you lose to Pooch.
I don't care about losing in fantasy. I care about losing in trading.
Yeah, I know. Just look at my team real quick.
Were you guys bearish or bullish in general, right there? Or like even now, I guess still, but like was I just too tunnel vision? Maybe I was.
We usually take out the lows though.
Yeah, I mean, it's neutral.
So not interested.
Do I use TPO, footprint, MBO, price ladder?
What?
I don't know what any of those are except for the footprint. But no, I don't. Do I have to listen to you and follow your strategy because it worked for you today and yesterday? Is that how it works?
That's how it goes sometimes.
Right. Somehow 95% of people are unprofitable, but 100% of people know exactly what price ladder is in a strat. What is it? TP 330? You enter 247 to 330? Going for the very high. Good luck. I don't know, is price ladder like the Dom? Is it like this thing?
Just like how where all the orders are.
I would assume. Because like that's kind of what like the footprint is. It's like a
Never heard someone call it the price ladder.
yeah, either. No, I don't use it. What, it's just like this is how many sellers there are up here? Like, is that like how many limits there are, or how many stop losses are up there, or whatever, and how many buy or like stop losses are below here? It's not perfect, but it's good for spelling large orders at key levels are flush. Yeah. Is it limit orders, or is it like is it stop? I guess it's stop. Yeah. Footprint shows you the market order, so when traders hit the button, it's aggressive participants. And this is like passive. I avoid trading on CPI days. Any reason in particular?
I feel like a lot of people do that.
I feel like people wait until I don't know if a lot of people do that, or a lot of people wait until I feel like people like anticipate bad days before CPI or something like that, and then after CPI they expect it to be good or something. Dumb is limit orders only unless you use more complex software. Does the stop loss count as like a limit order, right? I mean, I guess it does. Prop firm rules to BH. That you can't trade on CPI days? I feel like maybe the rules are just like you can't trade the news. Like you probably can't trade 1 minute before or 1 minute after.
Never heard of a prop firm that says you can't trade news at all.
Take Profit Trader, I think, right?
No, that's just a minute before, a minute after.
Oh, yeah. Well, that's what I thought you meant. How you doing, Perth?
No, I meant like for like the whole day. They're like, oh,
Yeah, no.
Like,
that's,
well, that's
I don't-
happening.
That's the thing.
'cause realistically, they want you to probably trade news because you're more likely to just blow your accounts.
Is it his name, Perth? Or is it per the... I don't even know. What
For,
to call him,
for the
Perth.
default.
Yeah, but there's an S in there. So is it Perth's? Perth? So is it Perth's default maybe? I don't know. CPI method for passing though is goated. I've seen people do that. What, you put like a limit order, like say if like price is here, you put like a limit buy here, like a limit sell here, and a limit sell here, and a limit buy there, whatever. And then whatever way it rips, it just like blows through it. Not a terrible idea. You just hope it doesn't like wick up, hit it, and then fucking rip down or whatever. For example, you see 400 bids at a level, someone hit that bid with a sell price doesn't drop, so someone has absorbed all those 400 contracts, good indication that solid support and price will go high. Yeah, but on the flip side, can't it just hit those targets and then that like provides liquidity for it to keep fucking rushing through if it's just like filling stop orders? per these default. Per these. Why is you're missing an E? Yours is per this default. Unless the E is silent. Or non-existent, I mean. Yeah, like far enough away so the actual move just blasts it through. Win rate is very good, but yeah, if it wicks, you're screwed, yeah. Yeah, I feel like that's not a terrible strategy. Oh shit, I am missing the... What does that even mean per these default? It can, but that's where the TPO comes in handy. Value area highs, POCs, so on previous. I feel like that's like trade. What's his name? Trades by Matt or whatever. Doesn't he trade that? Like point of control, value area high. So it's all just what you want to trade. You know what I mean? Actually, futures has a lot of order flow. Pretty good content. You know, I'm short here. I'm expecting to make some good money. I was short there and expected to make some good money. But we bounced right off the 15-minute EMA. Who would have thunk? I think I was too tunnel vision on that. Or I don't know. But I feel like you can't always just be like, well, I played the bounce off the 15-minute. I think it depends on what we did earlier. So we have like 45 people, or what, 45 still, oh, it's gone. I don't like how this thing bounces around so much. You have to like scroll every 2 seconds. So what, there's 24 contracts at the 258s? Do those just go away, or it's just because price went higher and it only shows you like a certain amount? I don't fucking know. What do I think of Lambo Raul? I don't know, I've seen that guy before. Like, doesn't he have like neck tats or something? I don't know, those people just... I don't know. I doubt it's real. That would be my input. I think isn't his dad rich? So get on call with the New York Stock Exchange, Mike, and ask them to bring price lower for me, please. You think I would do that for you, but not for me?
You're real nice of you.
Oh. Can even use futures data for CFD trading. 6B is GBP USD. Also, COD data is great for higher time frame trading analysis. Get to see net positioning. I just don't know if it's like useful enough to use. I feel like you just start, like, cause the thing is you can just add everything, and then if you have everything, you have fucking nothing at the same time. Like, it's just like, oh, I have 900 million things and confluences and shit, like, I don't think it needs to be like that.
About Pooh. Like, he thinks he's so knowledgeable that I feel like he
can
has
make up a
too
reason
much
for to get in anywhere.
anything.
Non-commercials is the one to follow. Yeah, but he was on FTMO leaderboards. Yeah, but if you're so what? If you have millions of dollars from core sales or anything now, like, it's easy to just be like, okay, this is good for my brand if I show myself on FTMO fucking thing, so I'm just gonna sit there and like size big. Eventually, you're gonna hit big trades and go on a streak, and then it puts you on there. Like, I don't think that's the end all be all.
Look at
Come on, bro, help him, bro, out.
Zero Day J or whatever. Like,
Yeah,
that guy is
exactly.
probably like 100k in payouts this year, and I literally is the biggest just straight degen.
Right.
Because he sits there and just rips through accounts and it doesn't matter for him. Well, Now we're gonna dump and get the move that we wanted to all the way back down to the low.
Yeah, this is gonna be the equivalent of Monday, isn't it? True, but it's not a lagging indicator. It's based on actual data and actual volume. Yeah, I guess. I mean, what's lagging? That I use the EMAs, I guess, but kind of. Like pivot points are already put in. VWAP is a lagging indicator, but yeah.
Wop.
You think you can luck out on getting a payout? 100% smokers. I mean, dude, I got 20K, 30K in payout. Like, I got a 20K payout in March, I think, or April. I had like 20K in payouts. All I did was trade 1-to-1s. I mean, I had like the same strategy, but like realistically, you could do that anywhere. And eventually, you're in like, that's why like I would just go in, win a bunch of trades, and then lose a bunch of trades. Like, if you have proper risk management, you can walk your way into a bunch of payouts. If you never go on tilt, you can walk your way into payouts. Not all the time, but... Is that a shot at me, Spencer? Seems oddly specific. What are we thinking at this 175 level? Price just blows past it or lower? 175? Opening range low? I don't know. Good chop. We could blow past it. I couldn't tell you. I thought we were going to blow past it. We did not. The Guru's secret they never say. No, it's happening to me. Oh, it's happening to me too. I literally did the same thing. I made 60K in fucking a month and then I haven't got a payout since. No, it's 50K though, I wish. Oh. Do you know the percent of people who get payouts is like 1%? I think it's like 3 or 4%. I think Top Step like had its stats, right? Or I don't know if it's 3 or 4% out of people who get funded that get paid, so that'd be a significantly less amount, but I'm not sure. God, are we really just gonna fucking drop through the floor here? This is what this is. Look at Monday's chart. I mean, it's like the same thing, only the inverse, I think. Wait, no, Monday was break even. Was it Tuesday? Yeah, Tuesday's chart. Get long, come back, pull back, then push higher to my original targets, which was, yeah, here. But we had like this one and this one that we pushed to. Almost. It's like that, but the inverse of it right now. You only need 5 days where you close after $100 in payouts, and there after $100 in profit, and there you go. Yeah. It's just, yeah, it's easier said than done. It's like, oh, all I have to do is make $100 a day, but it's just so hard.
Yeah.
So how can you get lucky with 3% odds? Well, the odds are 3% because people don't even give themselves the opportunity to be lucky. You know what I mean? Because they don't sit there and have accounts for a long time. They sit there, do one trade, and then go and tilt when they lose and then blow it all in one day. But if you sat there and had a structured risk plan and just sat there and played the odds of 50-50, eventually you're going to go on a win streak enough where you can get a payout.
At least one.
Yeah.
Like, you may not be a consistent trader, but you will win at least one.
Like what? Look, we never struggled to get like we didn't go years or months without pay. It's like, dude, I started doing props in August and got my first payout October.
Which I don't know what's worse.
And that was like switching a whole new strategy. But it's not like I haven't like. I mean, I've had like some like what I did like October, then I did like November, December, or no, I think I did October, then I didn't get one in November, but I got one in December, got one in like January. I don't think I got anything
It's
in
like
February,
every like
but got one
4 or
in
5
March.
months I get a small one. That
And
keeps
then,
me in it.
okay, yeah. You think most people are that terrible? Yes. If you watch people on a daily basis, they lose and then freak out. Or you hear story like people like, I blew my account. It's like,
You think everybody's better because people don't talk about their losers.
right. Like
Then you only
everybody
see
goes
people
on
that are
till
winning.
like even if you see the people like, oh, they have a streak of friggin' 20 green days in a row. Most of the time they're not that great at trading. They just try to trade themselves out of the, and then you see like some days they sit there and they're up, like it'll show like their fucking calendar or whatever, and it's like, oh, they're up $100, but they took 30 trades, and then like, oh, this was a good month for me, because if they end green they think it's good, but a lot of times like people are afraid to be red on the day, so they're just trying to trade themselves out of it, and like it'll work a lot of times. So they'll be like, oh, I really locked in right there. I was down a lot, but then I locked in and then pulled myself out. But the same thing happens sometimes, and you just don't get lucky enough to pull yourself out, and then you blow the account, and you're like, I don't know what happened. I went on tilt just this one day. It's like, no, you did it the other days. You just got rewarded and didn't think you did bad because you ended up pulling yourself out of the red and going into green. Yeah, you've seen those calendars. Exactly. I'm not saying nobody can do it. I'm not saying like nobody can have an all green month if, I don't know, you have a really high win rate thing and the market's really good for your condition, like the market conditions are really good for your strategy right now and things are all going well and you're managing well and stuff like that. But most of the time it's just going to be like most of the time people trade until they're green or below their account. A lot of people do that.
I mean, we've seen people on repeat do it.
Bro, just drop generational knowledge of trading platforms. I mean, it's nothing that everybody doesn't know, I don't think. Or like, I think, like, you just, people don't like to be read. I mean,
we're also like,
what were you saying? Sorry.
We're very pessimistic people, so we always want to prove. Like, anytime someone, like, says something online, we're just like, oh, they're lying, and then we look at their stats, and then it's like, okay, they actually are lying. They're not, like, all these all-pro traders. They're just freaking, they have one, like, week that they're good, and then they think they're the biggest shit, and they're like, oh, dude, buy my course, dude, I haven't lost this week, and it's like, and then the next day, it's like, oh, they won 5 trades, and then they lose 5 trades, because the law of averages averages back out. And they blow all their accounts. It's like, okay.
Buying for 25.105, value very high of day, value very low of week. Good luck.
It's like, if you think about it in simple terms, all you have to do realistically to get a payout is what? Win 5 trades in a row? Yeah, but like on most prop firms, it takes like 5 days or whatever. It's like, to win 5 trades in a row, it's a 1 in 32 chance, realistically, with a 50-50 shot. Obviously, there's other, like, goes into it, but for how many times you trade, a 1 in 32 chance, it's gonna happen eventually.
almighty. Basement's the busiest place in the house, I swear.
Every single day.
Do you think if you take a trade in opposite direction every time you lose, risking bigger, you can win every day? No, because some days it's just gonna chop. And then you're just gonna get cooked. You can tilt on a month where PA is good and get payouts. When the PA is bad, you will blow these accounts the same way you just saved them. Exactly. That's what you just have to be able to preserve your balance when shit's not going your way. Which I've learned over the past couple months.
Which we usually do. It's like, we'll have a whole month where, like, dude, that fucking market was sucked that whole month,
Right.
and then we still have our accounts.
Right, I mean, what, I just blew my accounts after not getting a payout after having them for like 60 trading days. That's literally like 3 months. And I was like never fucking positive in them ever. And I was risking like $300 to $600 a fucking day anyways. Like, it's not like I was
And not
risking
one of those
little
days where you went on tilt and, like, lost and then made your money back.
Yeah, no.
Because that's what people do. So many people, like, they lose like
or they blow it
$1,000
that way.
and then-
It's like they go on tilt and they don't make their money back and they blow it and that's how they lose their account. It's like that's what happens.
Look, why me? Why couldn't it just come back this one trade that I full tilted on?
That's how it goes.
All I needed was this one trade that I 3 times my leverage to come all the way up and hit this one level, dude. I'm so unlucky.
Yep. But those calendars with all green days reversal trade? I mean, how do you know? What do you mean they're reversal trade? I feel like reversal and continuation trading is all perception because it just depends on the timeline, like the time frame. It's like you can think you're trading the continuation, but on a higher time frame, you're trading the retracement back to like continue the next leg higher. It's like today. Like if you were to trade earlier in the morning, like we did, like on that short down, it's like I think I'm trading the continuation down, but realistically, if you look on the higher time frames, we're bullish. We were pulling back, and then we bounced and then pushed higher. So I feel like a lot of times that's just like perspective. And they put their entry at their stop loss until they win. Yeah, exactly. And then you either end up with a green day, or you end up blowing your account. Exactly. That's not like that doesn't mean you're good at trading. Because what you can do that, yeah. And a lot of times we're gonna retrace back, and we will. So it's like, oh, my stop loss is here. Okay, I enter here, and the stop loss is here, and then I lose. Oh, I enter here, and then the stop. But some days we're just gonna trend forever. So you're just gonna get stuck on the opposite side of the trend, and you're just gonna blown through, and then there goes your account, and then everyone's like, oh, I'm so lucky. I had a bad day today. But it's like, no, you had a bad day every day. You didn't follow your risk plan. That's the one thing me and Johnny have had like better than most people that I've seen is we do not go on tilt ever. If I blow more than $600 in a day, it's planned. Because I sit there and I'm like, alright, I have like 1 day left in these accounts anyways, I'm just going to blow them. Like, I'm just going to go for more or not. It's not worth it to have them again.
Yeah, we are just straight fucking making big moves. Yeah, it's just the law of averages. You're not gonna win every day. It's impossible. It's so funny because you like on PC all day, and I swear they're never downstairs during like later in the day. It's just in the morning. Even breaking the eyes, dude. What the? Almost breaking the eyes. Yeah, I don't know how to. I don't know how to guess those straight. This big W. What tapped right off it? Yeah. Maybe that short was a little ambitious, but yeah. It's not. Yeah, they are just gonna push right through the top that without any pullback or anything. Like lows. I don't. I guess it's not that. I mean, we've seen bigger moves. It just looked crazy, but realistically, it's only like 150 points.
Left for 3 seconds. What the fuck was that? Yeah, we did not dump there. Someone said they were getting long though. Who was that? Farrell did. Farrell Kenward. 25-105. Wait. Buying from 25-105. Bro. Wait a minute, what? 25-105? Whoever went down there. Or maybe you're saying he was buying.
Maybe he's on the different contract.
Oh, maybe. Or maybe he said if we got down there, he would buy. I don't know. But, yeah, you said. I mean, I've had all day, all green months.
Are you still on December contracts?
Leverage on that day back, yeah. Any of those could have caused mass daily loss, though. I just got lucky, exactly. If you did that right now, you'd be. With a 1-to-1, you'd be break even. Am I wrong? No, you're not wrong. But that's like, it works until it blows up your account. That's the thing. So it's like you're just gonna have a day where you just absolutely blow up your account. And I'd rather not do that because I don't want to spend like, I spend a lot of money on accounts to like re-get funded and get a lot of accounts, but then it's like I had my Apex accounts for 3 months straight. I didn't make a payout on them, but I only had the one-time purchase on them. So like I'd rather that. After like 8 winning days in a row, start to get nervous because you know a loser is coming. Just gotta take, yeah, exactly. And that's the hardest time to take a loser too, because your confidence just goes so high because like you just have ideas and then they just keep working out.
You're like,
like,
I can.
yeah,
I'll
like,
never
I can't be
lose.
wrong. Yeah, you're like I can't. That's the problem. You end up taking a worse trade.
I mean, how many times have we sit there and be like, I think I figured
Yeah,
it
we
out, and
figured
then
it out,
a month goes by, we blow our accounts.
Yeah, and you're like, Jesus Christ, it is terrible. Alright, don't you and your buddy get accused of group trading by Apex? What does that even mean?
No.
Group trading? What is group trading? That would involve me and Johnny taking payouts at the same time, which has never happened.
Yep. We trade the same thing, and we've never taken a payout at the same time.
Getting gold longs, lads? Hello, Noah.
It's actually a skill how.
That's a good 5-minute bear for both leg right there, right off the 5-minute EMA, right off the 15-minute EMA. That does look like a good long. Wouldn't be surprised. Bro, people signal like 3,000 people in a live Discord. Oh, that is true. I can't. It's a rule violation taking similar trades. Yeah, but like, how do they determine that?
We sit there and talk all day.
Yeah, how do you determine that? Even still, it's like there's only like, I don't know. Not there's only fucking one place to enter because people are entering at all times, but I don't know. It's just. How do they determine that? Like, you also like to long at this level? He's like, yeah, okay. Sorry that we're both losing money at the same time. Yeah, I didn't even know that was a thing either. And that is the case. People have fucking 5,000 viewers and they're like, alright chat, getting long. And they're like, you don't have to follow, and then you know everybody is. Yeah, this is a true definition today of trading what I thought and not what I saw. The more this plays out, it's literally just a push higher and a pullback. If anything, if I didn't want to get long because I thought we were going to take this out, should have just waited for this to get taken out and then look for longs off of that, and then, because, yeah. Google it, Apex. I believe it, I just don't know how they enforce it. Let me know, PJ Trades has
Connection
like 5K viewers and live trades. Yeah, I don't even know what that is, but yeah, exactly. It is $100 a month. Discord, Jesus. That guy's making absolute bank. This PA is just pure bullshit, that's what. Yeah, I mean, we're getting into December. Spread your legs out and butt cheeks, Mike. That's a new message, Priv.
Nice.
Oh, that, it's like some
Really
fucking,
insightful there.
That's fucking. I need an HR department, dude. That's sexual harassment in the workplace. I mean, how they can see you're taking the same trades at the same time. Yeah, but we don't even always, and they can't even see that Johnny does. He's not sharing his screen.
Yep.
Even still, what? It's
And
two guys who have fucking taken out 100K in payouts between the both of us together with them, like.
And it's like
in fucking a year and 4 months.
millions
I've
of
been
like probably like a couple 100,000 people are trading at once. It's like you don't think there's gonna be times where people are taking the same trades because they have
you and your friend in a Discord who've taken out 100K in fucking a year and 4 months combined, and we pay out $30 million a month. We're coming for you. Like, I just don't see it. Glad I can customize it. Don't report on SA. It sounds like that's already happened before, Priv. Sounds like this would be your second offense. I'm not surprised though. Indians very prevalent for fucking sexual assault.
Yep. And scamming people.
Yeah, and scamming people.
And smelling bad.
I mean, he's a really good trader, but I never understood how that allows because he advertises that he signals. Yeah, I don't even think signaling is legal. I have no idea though. You guys are real bad what you do. Dirtiest criminals I know, yeah. Some white collar crime right there. I know it's ridiculous, but go on Trustpilot, they do that. I mean, I'm literally affiliated with Apex, and like you have to like send them your stuff beforehand, and I had already gotten paid out like 60K before I even got affiliated with them, and like you have to send them their YouTube so they know like what you have to promote them, and they never fucking said anything that I'm trading with someone. So, would you ever try trade using RTH chart? I don't even know what that is. Do you know what that is, Johnny? Good talk.
I said no.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. I literally said nope.
Well, you must have said it like a bitch because your mic didn't even pick it up. No. Like, think for me here, is this even worth trying to get in on a retracement? I mean, no. Like, why do we stop here? Like, do you have a lot of reason that we're gonna stop here? I mean, we got some resistance here. I don't know, whatever you want to do to manage risk. If you can manage risk from any spot, you can get in. It's just how mad are you gonna be if it doesn't work out because you didn't listen to your strategy. Like, I wanted to get in when we bounced here and we were here. I wanted to see the 5, like, yeah, we were like above it at the same time. If we had a little pullback here, I was going to get long, but we did not. But it would have been cool if I had a pullback like here-ish. Maybe stops at these lows, so about like 2 or 3 micros. Or actually, no, I probably would have done whatever lows it pulled back to. Even like 5 micros. Play for like this long, this high, or this high. But didn't get it. Regular trading hours? Oh. Would you ever try trading using regular trading hours chart? What, like the QQQ? Removing all the previous sessions. I have the QQQ over here. I never look at it. The only thing I would trade for the QQQ would be options. Like, if I wanted to sell options on it. But I don't want to put, or I don't have 60K to put into it right now, so. Dude, Amazon's ripping. Nice.
Did you get a short?
Yeah. Or, like, cash secured put. But. I'm up $360 today. Current price of the contract is at 29 cents. I bought it at 175. I'm telling you, selling options is the easiest way to make money. Just click the ETH near the time in the bottom right. I see. I don't want to fuck anything up. Yeah. Or I guess I'll try it just to see. What? It just shows gaps? God damn, that's a big gap. What does it say? 4:15. Does the market close at 4:15? The market closed at 4.
It was 4:30.
Is it 4:30 or is it 4? I think it's 4. It's a fucking hella gap. Well, I don't think I'd ever trade with that because I like to target like the overnight lows and stuff or overnight highs. If that was the case, it's like you have no targets in here. So like if you're looking for a short, it's like what? I just short down to this fucking low every time, like the close, as opposed to like this or this or this or this or something. Probably because you and him don't take 100% of the same position. Yeah. The thing is, even if we did, I don't even know how they'd fucking notice. It's like, oh, these guys who haven't made a payout in 3 months, we're randomly gonna fucking check their account. Like,
Yeah.
super duper busy. Send him your position numbers and see what happens. I'm about to enter long. Fuck it, bro. I thought you were entering a retracement. Something ridiculous. Like 60% of the time, it taps the midpoint of the gap there. Oh, really? What, of the... So, the gap from... What? Here to... Actually, let me get my fib tool out. Let me turn off the VWAP so I can fucking see it. From the wicks or something? Well, definitely didn't happen today, but I mean, yeah, 60% of the time, but from the bodies. What, from the body closed? Or in open? So what, normally it pulls back. I don't have my fib right. Wait a minute, is that supposed to be down here? Oh yeah, it is. I just drew it the wrong way. It should be like that, or whatever, yeah. Okay. I was gonna say, wow, it touched it perfectly, but it's like 40%. You hear what Tradeify did? You can get a payout on day 1 with instant funding, no consistency rules. I'm sure there's a catch. There's always a catch. But no, I didn't hear. I've never traded Tradeify. The thing, every prop firm is realistically the same for the most part. Like, they think there's this whole strategy thing. You just have to be good at trading. Like, people are like, here's a cheat code to get fucking... how to take payouts and how to scale your accounts. It's like, none of it matters if you don't know how to trade. It's like, there is no cheat code. It's like, get good at trading and you will get payouts. That's it. Like, and then you load in, like, first, you just need to have a strategy you know works, that's profitable. And you're like, oh, gee, thanks.
Real insightful.
Yeah, exactly. And then, once you do that, all you have to do is make $200 a day and do this. Like, oh, gee, thanks. If it was that easy, I wouldn't need to be fucking looking up a video. There's no catch, it's cheap too. I mean,
There's always a catch.
yeah, it's probably something. Like it's probably like a fucking 2-step evaluation to get funded or something, so it wipes out most of the people before you can even do it. Like, or you have to get to the buffer anyways. Like take Profit Trader. It's like great, take Profit Trader. The first day you're funded, you can get a payout, but you need to make fucking $2,500. Which if you're gonna make $2,500 in one day to be able to take out 500 because the buffer is 2,000, then you're gonna need to risk fucking $2,500. They're not exactly 2,500, but like you're gonna need to risk a fuck ton. Yeah, man, I'll just get good at trading. Give you 5 minutes. Yeah, exactly. Here's your retracement. You called it. Look at this bounce right off this one right here. Crazy. Nope, there's no profit target. You can withdraw on day one, whatever you win, and every day. Yeah, but when you withdraw, does your buffer like crawl? Does your trailing drawdown come up like $2,000 to like the original target, or like the original? Like if you are at $50,000 and say like the drawdown's at 48,000, if you say if you can make it 50,500 and you request 500, does your trailing drawdown go up to 50,000? I'm sure it's something like that. Like that's what like my fund of futures did, which is still good. Like it's still good to get payouts from or whatever. Like with the old one, like the starter, where it's like, oh, you could take out the first 1,200 that you make or whatever. Like you can take out anything of a 40% consistency rule up to $1,200, but as little as like 500. Then it's like great, so I take out $500 and then I have $100 in drawdown because it raises it up to 50,000. Yeah, you lose that drawdown you had exactly. So it's. That's your catch right there. It's like great, you can take out on day one.
Right now has a daily payout thing that has but you need to make like $2,000 a buffer in the first day or something like that.
Yeah, exactly. That's what it's all. They're all the same. It's just worded differently to advertise differently.
Well, that's pretty good. It's just like, oh, you don't have to require days. It's just get to $2,100 and then you can take out $500 after that.
Yeah, so take Profit Trader.
Pretty much.
With an easier eval. Yeah, you lose that drawdown you had. Like that's the thing. It's wow, day one you can get a payout. It's like, dude, no one wants a payout if you're at 50,500 after you just pass the account, and then it's like, okay, great, I take out $500 and then blow the account. So it's like you're still gonna want to get like high enough to put in a buffer anyways. So it's just not that great. But I'm not getting anything today. This should have been a no trade day. This was my fault, 100%. Like this is an avoidable loss. Sometimes you're gonna lose, and you're just gonna be like, oh well. Like what when I lost on Tuesday. It's like Tuesday. Let me go to Tuesday. Like I like Tuesday straight. Sat there, I was up, I had my target. And we just didn't get to it. We pulled back and then we got to it, and everything looked nice. But today, I went against the chart with my brain.
You can't use your brain.
Nope. You just gotta follow what it's doing, which, I mean, that's the thing. Like, I guess I was trying to follow what it was doing. It was going down, but I guess it was just retracing to this. Retracing to the 15-minute to then bounce off of it. We had a firm fucking quadruple bottom there. But if you win all the time, the lost drawdown doesn't matter. Yeah, great. And if you win all the time, you're a millionaire anyways. Like that's great. Well, it's like if you win every day, then it doesn't matter. It's like, well, that's the problem. You don't. Like, what kind of answer is that? That's crazy. But if you win all the time, it's like, oh, all you have to do is pass the account in a day. Like, how long does it take to pass the account? Is it a one-day thing? It's like, so all you have to do is win, pass the account, So it's one day, then the next day win, and then after that's like you have to win 3 days in a row to get more than one payout. Like old Mike would be looking to take a long right now. Really old Mike, like beginning of the year Mike would be like, oh, we're flagging here, but I think we're way too far overextended. Yeah, just win, bro. Yeah, exactly. Like, everything's easy. That's what I'm saying. Everything's easy. Every plan sounds great in theory if you just win every day.
There's no shot I rank up in the Clash.
Really?
I haven't attacked yet, but in 5 attacks I've been 3-starred 4 times and then got like 90% 2-starred on the other one.
I only have 2 attacks left. Ooh, I just looked today. I'm in 20th now. I was in like 8th yesterday. I was just saving them. What do you think of PMT trading? Never heard of them. I don't know who that is. But let me see. Or I'm not checking him. I'm just. Alright, let's do my daily dollar and get the fuck out of here. It's a tool that protects the future. Oh, I thought it was a fucking. Sounds like a YouTube channel, PMT trading. It's a tool that predicts the future of price. I'm sure it works half the time. Alright, pick a number.
9.
9, 10, 11 are clear.
Dude, 9 never fails.
Neither does 11, I swear.
It sucks.
Pick a number, smoker.
8.
Alright.
That's a blow up.
Nope, those are 2x right there. Wow, we could have went the whole top 2 rows. Alright, first hand of blackjack is a blackjack, awesome. Oh my god, I doubled that and that has no way. Nice. Perfect double, 21, there we go. Oh, I've lost twice and they've both been on blackjacks. Oh, double. Nice. Oh, lost on blackjack again. And here's play, awesome. again. Hit again. Stand. Oh, lose on 20 again. Well, this. Well, okay.
Oh well. Oh, well, that's okay.
Dude, the amount of fucking 20 this guy's getting is insane.
Dude, that was the worst session of blackjack I think I've ever seen.
What do you mean? This is the average session of blackjack.
Dude, virtual blackjack could be the biggest scam
Hey,
ever.
we're not done yet. Look at that, we're back to where we were. I hate that. I hate standing on a 12. Oh my god, I had 11, he had fucking blackjack. Oh, dude, he has an ace under there. So crazy. This game's the worst. Oh my god, I pulled a blackjack. Or that. Oh my god, that's about to do me dirty. Let's go. And there you go. What a session.
You were cooking?
I lost like, they had like 5 blackjacks. Get 21 cents. Actually, I put it on crash. I'm going for a 50x. And it crashed at 0.01. Awesome. Alright. Dude, gambling's such a scam. I can't believe anybody likes to do it. Alrighty. I'm out of here. Peace out.